Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that managing your assets efficiently is key. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. This process is super simple, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. Why do this? Well, Phantom Wallet offers enhanced security and integration with various blockchains, making it a popular choice for XRP holders. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a crypto.com account and a Phantom Wallet set up. Open your crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and locate your XRP balance. Double-check that you have enough XRP to cover the transfer, plus any network fees that might apply in 2025. Fees can fluctuate, so keep an eye on that. Next, head over to the Withdraw or Send option in your crypto.com wallet. Select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, this is crucial. Copy your Phantom wallet address. You can find this by opening the Phantom app on your device, going to your wallet, and tapping on the Receive button. Paste that address carefully into the crypto.com withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos allowed. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, review all the details one last time, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion in 2025. After that, switch over to your Phantom Wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your XRP appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XRP to Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.